An HR manager spends an average of 10 hours to onboard a single new hire. 30% of the week goes in manual tasks and paperwork. It's time to pull the plug on exhaustive Excel sheets. Nova's endorsement portal works seamlessly with 6 human resource management softwares. Our system fast-tracks the addition and deletion of employee data, enabling a hassle-free employee onboarding experience, with automated invites and reminders to new joinees. This prevents HRs from making even the tiniest of manual errors while ensuring complete visibility at all times. Simply put, it saves you a lot of time and cuts down the onboarding process from nearly 6 weeks to just 30 minutes. That's why over 350 HRs have made the switch to Nova Benefits, a platform that transforms your employee healthcare and wellness experience.